Hi, how are you?
Hi, nice.
I feel well.
Well, how is the weather today?
The weather has been colder. Rani, what is your favorite weather?
My favorite weather is clothing. Jan Irvis, what is the weather like in Europe in the winter?
It is very cool and snowy. Rodner, what is the weather like in the Santo Domingo in the fall?
In the fall in Santo Domingo is sunny, but at night it is colder. Rani, how is the weather at Christmas?
Is my Christmas very good?
It's okay.
Okay. Bye, see you
Bye.
later.
You.